Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Let's see if you can find anything clean today. Yesterday was okay, but I found it a bit tricky. So we'll see what today has up its sleeve. Clear for news, there should not be any news now. We had 7 o'clock German industrial production. That's pretty much it. All the way through to New York, see if we can catch anything based off of the raw price action. Oil is still above 90, which is, I'm still like somewhat surprised that it's still above 90, because that's telling me the market is still uncertain as to what's going on with the whole war situation. And that's very telling. That is very, very telling. Honestly, I don't really want to go long on UJ. I just want to stick on the short side. So I'm just gonna wait for price to come into the higher levels and then look for shorts or something. 278. So let's just try 280. That'll be an alert there, and then we've got an alert above there anyway. That's fine. So I'm not looking at USD JPY today, basically. Go to Wednesday. Can actually see it doing like a 30-40 odd pip move upwards, so that can stay. I can totally see that happening. And then on here we look at DAX. Maybe should I look at DAX? I'm wondering what to put here. You know what? Gold. Come back into that range level again, hasn't it? And then as soon as it did, it pretty much started to drop down from there. First leg. The demand zone, first leg, technically a second leg, price come back, put those highs out, then made first leg, second leg, pull back, tagged into here, which is kind of hard to tell where exactly it's gonna tag. Oh yeah, tagging to 07, 30, 45, 07, 6 70, probably like a 20 pip on there. Well, 6 orange macro minutes, not bad. 40 really quick. Quickly. 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Yeah, he's just. If this breaks that high, how do you change the freaking? If we're gonna get stronger on the USD, then that's kind of what we're looking at. I think if price comes, takes out this, and actually, you know what? It's going to be this zone here. Yeah. Price tags into there, moves off, yeah, then we know that buys are still valid. And they can continue to make the move higher in the market. And get rid of that. You could go long. On the break of there. And then as soon as you broke that structure there, go break even. But that's just following internal price action, which for me is just not enough. Rather wait for an external factor rather than internal price action, but you could do that. And then you could scale in as well on there. Once you break even, you can just pull back into here. That could be another entry. You could do a breakout based one again. Hey Vi, good morning bro, good morning, good morning. How are you Vi? I bought new pay after past challenge from funded next firm pay challenge fees from. Eh? I don't understand. I don't understand. What? Do you want to say that again, please? I did not understand that. Oh, you mean you passed? So you had a challenge with Funded Next, you passed it, and then you got your payout and your refund, and you got another account with a different firm. Is that what you're trying to say? Oh, you bought an account with Funded Next. Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine, that's fine. What size? They had a discount code on, you know, for Eid, I think. Did you get it with a discount code, yeah? Oh, pay after pass model. I don't know about that. There's gonna be a lot of people where I don't know. But yeah, if you got Funded Next account, that's okay. No, another one. Not Funded Next. Funded Roll. Oh, so Funded Roll is the one that you already had. I bought because it was cheap. Yeah. But you know, when they're cheap, they normally don't pay out. Because you have to look at it as a business, and a business makes money from failing traders. So when they're too cheap, like, it's easy to figure out, oh yeah, they probably won't pay out or something, you know. But you can try it. If you don't pass if you don't pay until you pass, then cholo, that's okay, innit? You're not losing any money. But then how are they gonna make money then? You see what I'm trying to say? How are they gonna make money from failing traders if they don't even pay? That doesn't make sense. You see what I'm trying to say? It does not make sense. But cholo, if it's cheap, innit? Just if you don't get paid, at least you think, cholo is cheap. If I don't get paid, I know why. Like, at least you're not gonna be like, oh my god, what happened? Many people say it's a scam. It's only $10 for $10 for a 200k account, bro. They're not paying. That's me. They're not paying, bro. I'm telling you, they're not paying. If they pay you, I will pay you double what they pay you. No way they're gonna pay. How? If you buy a 200k account for $10, yeah, and you make 4% on it, for $8,000 payout, yeah, once, bro, I swear it to you. Let me make the money first and then I'll pay it in it, but I'm shocked. Like, they won't pay. How are they gonna get money? How you said $10, yeah? You don't mean like $1,000 or $100, even $100, yeah? Yeah, no, Kasme, what the fuck? What the fuck? Can you check website? We'll check later on, because right now I'm shocked. Like, I still can't believe it, bro. 200k account for $10. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, I was shocked too. No, bro, I'm more shocked than you. Oh god. I'll look in the background. What's the firm called? Funded Roll. Yo, look at Kasme here. You're too funny, man. You're too funny, Kasme. You're making bros. Like, there's a firm. Why you're out? Kasme, you're out. You're too funny.
William, knife man.
You come to the stream, yeah, And you're like, bro, there's a new firm. You don't even have to pay until you're funded. And then, oh yeah, the 200k costs $10. Gus Smith, why, you're a boss, please, boss. You're funny, man. No, stop it. Maybe I'll get lucky, damn. If you're the first, honestly, I think in these situations, yeah, you'll only get paid if you're a social media person, honestly. Because how are they going to afford to pay you, man? How? Like, it doesn't make sense. You see, I can't even find the firm here, funded role. I can't even find it. Funded role. I can't find it, man. I can't find it, bro. Yeah, I don't know. What's the website link? Because I can't find it here, man. We'll go back to the charts anyway whilst we're waiting for your reply. First leg, possibly second leg. There was this one trade, yeah, at 25 past, which was 30 minutes ago. I was a bit late for that because I think I started the stream at 30, I think. Yeah, I started the stream at about 30. Did you find the firm or not? I can't find it, bro. Which link? Oh, you can't post links because you're not modding it, but what's the website called? Because I just googled funded role and I can't find anything, man. From funded role. Oh, one word. Try that. So like this, yeah, funded roll. FUND, like that. Why can't I find it, man? Cause there's funded firm, funded pro. Check flex. I don't. That's me. I can't. Funding traders, my funded futures, Fivers, Maven, funded next. Let me just search the link in it. So fundedroll.com. Is it fundedroll.com? Yeah. Aha, 40% off your first order. And which one? Flex model. Challenges. Flex. $9.99. $9.99. Yeah, $9.99. Oh, Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Yes, I lied. It was $9. Yeah, you're 60. Bro, you used $10. Too much expensive. $9.99. Good deal. Okay. Minimum trading days profit target static. Static is the bad. You only paid $10 up front. Minimum payout. 3 days of 0.5%. Max day contribution 50%. Max exposure, max per trade, minimum hold time. Bro, it's 1,200 after you pass. So yes, it's $10 now, but after you pass is $1,200 for a 200k account. So they might not even pay you until you've paid them for the account. Let's look at the rules, because I think you'll have to pay. How much is a normal 200k account? A normal 200k account is $720. They have the same shit rules, man. Have profitable days as well. 3 days of 0.5%. Fucking hate that. Max exposure 2%. Masters. No, on Twitter they launch offer pay from profit. Oh, are you sure? Are you totally sure that it's paid from the profit? Yeah. Yeah, trade 0.5% good. So you pay, it says $1,223 basically. So you would have to get a 0.6% payout. You'd have to get a 0.6% payout. It was 500 for the account. Which account was that? Was that the 100k two-step? The 200k is the 400. Yeah, Jolo, honestly, go for it, man. It only costs you $10. If you get the payout, great. If you don't get the payout, it only costs you $10. I think it's one step. I think it is, yeah. It looks like a one. No, actually, I don't know. I just got off the page. I think it's Yeah, one step. So the activation fee is the cost of the two-step account times 1.35. Okay, so the two-step 200k, where's calculator, which is 899 times by 1.35 is 1,200, and yeah, but then you get no discount. You get no discount for that, but you only pay when you pass. That's interesting. Everyone's gonna pick the flex account, innit? So how are they gonna make money if everyone picks a flex account? Yeah. There's no discount on the account. It's just the full cost. Yeah. That's good and bad. Good for the trader, bad for the prop firm. I don't know how they're gonna make money, bro. How are they gonna make money? You think about it, you got 10,000 customers, yeah? Let's say 7,000 choose that because they think, oh, it's only $10, we're not gonna pay for the account. If two, let's say you got 1,000 traders, yeah? Let's say 5 of them pass, 5 of them get 3, 4, 5% payout, yeah? On a 200k account. So let's say 3%, 2, 4, 6, 12, 18, 24, $32,000 in payouts for 5 traders on a 3% profit, and all the other traders fail. How would they get in the money to pay the traders the 36,000? Do you see what I'm trying to say? Because you have to think it's a business, innit? Where's the money coming from? I don't know, it sounds dodgy, man. If you can't understand where the money is coming from, then you can tell if it's a good or bad firm. You see what I'm trying to say? Then you'll know, innit? Oh, it's young guy, like, yeah, shit, innit? If it's good or if it's bad. That looks like it would have been the best option so far in Frankfurt, but as I said, I was just a bit late on there. And then price didn't even pull back for this anyway. Yeah, of course they do, bro. You know the stats, like 95% of traders fail. Obviously, that's just like brand new people who take the first trade and then they quit. But realistically, about 90% do fail in trading. Yeah, I know. Only good prop firms give you a book. Shit prop firms, they never give you a book because they're not making money from traders. They're making money from failing traders. But you'll go for it. See what happens, innit? There's not really much for you to lose, which is the good thing. But then that's also the like dodgy thing as well, innit? Yes, Aladdin. Good morning. Shab bakhair. So there's this trade here, Alan, that's a bit late for like 5 minutes, yeah? It's a bit early on USD card. There's a Frankfurt move in it, so it's a bit early. So now we just wait and see if we get anything in the next half hour-ish or something in it. GJ's, I've got a feeling GJ's gonna chop really bad. Let's look at DAX really quick. DAX looks like it's given a short, but no, instead what it did is it took out all these lows and then it fucked off, which is annoying. I'm thinking about trading DAX a bit more, you know, Alan. It looks like a really nice pair. Not pair, asset. This is the asset in here. It's a freaking straight line, man. I can't draw a straight damn line. I have to set up DAX on all the bloody accounts, innit? Shit. Have I got DAX on here? DE4? Shit. Damn it, it doesn't have DE40 on this man. It only has DE30. Yeah, I think they're gonna, if we keep seeing USD CAD push up, yeah, odds are that we're gonna see dollar possibly push higher. Concerns, we still really haven't seen much from Trump in terms of the war. Apparently the ceasefire is back in place again, but Israel is Israel. So I don't know what's gonna happen with that, because if the war starts again, dollar's gonna keep pushing higher again. So I'm skeptical. So I'm just trying to follow price action at the moment, and it's telling me to go long on EU and GU. And this Frankfurt move was just a drip all the way down. There was no important level that was swept out or anything. So I just got a feeling price will probably continue to go higher. So yeah, we broke that level, we're coming down now. Now if we don't get a push up from here, at that point I'm gonna guess that we're gonna still continue bearish on EU. GU is surprisingly strong today, man. I don't know why. I find it interesting, bro, how EU's falling and then GU's somehow holding. Does that mean GU's gonna push higher, or does that mean GU's gonna drop down now? I'm not sure. And then I wanted to go long from here on DAX, but that volume was not looking good. Basically, yeah, I'm trying to look at like more assets and stuff in it, because you know Forex is a bit crappy in it sometimes, yeah. And you know indices trend harder in it, like not trend harder, like they trend more than Forex does, because Forex is a range bound market normally in it. That's why I thought I'd consider just looking at indices and stuff that moved during London session. I was looking at European indices, and the EU 50 or whatever is not that good. Apparently DAX is supposed to be good. A lot of my friends have had like a lot of luck with DAX. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like US 30, like sometimes is dead in London session, sometimes it's good, but at least DAX is always pumping in London session, because obviously it's a European asset, in it. Like if you look at US 30, hey, that's done a good move too. Okay, this is a bad example. Today US 30 did a good move. Yeah, USD did a good move today. Normally it doesn't though, innit? Let's look at US Tech. Today just might be one of those days. But that's pretty much it, man. You on the way to work? I think Vi's left as well. Vi's bang. Hey, Mwange, Karibu, Ndugu, Mambo VP. Habari ya asubuhi ndugu. Mambo poa. Good. USD CAD gave a move early 7:25, but I hopped on the charts at about 7:30. EU GU just looking to see what's going on. Yeah, I'm just looking at what's happening now. I don't like the way that EU and GU look though, because GU's flying up and EU's just falling off a cliff. Now it's doing a bit of a push up. I'm suspicious of the price action on EU. So yeah, I'm just looking at this now because Euros just broke that level. It's tagged back into the supply zone. So I wonder if it's going to keep shorting. If it does, where does that leave the pound? Because technically you got this entire channel going on here. But we did just take out this zone here. So now technically you can go long from here. I don't know, man. Price action is a bit tricky at the moment. That's about it though at the moment. US tech is falling quite a bit here. What about EE to the 40? The DAXy. Yeah, DAXs fell off a cliff. See, I wanted to go along there, but after I seen that volume, also I wasn't on the chart then as well. Because then it took out this high, or these highs, and then the volume come to go down. Alex. Gold is looking interesting for longs. Honestly, these markets, I'm just not that keen on trading them. I'm really not. Yeah, XAU setting up okay. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. But yeah, gold is starting to look good for longs though, for sure. I need to set up. Let me see if I can get US 30 on here. I should be able to get US 30 on US 30. Okay, I can get US 30. What about as 100? Yup. But I can't get DAX. I'm suspicious with GU, man. I got a feeling like you can long from this level here, where I've drew out that little like demand zone on M1 near London open low. But I don't know, I'm just suspicious because it's been going bullish all the way through. Oh wait a sec, it's been going bullish all the way through. Took these lows in London open, and then we had big move up. maybe longs look better then. But then why is EU so weak? Sell to 133,333. Yeah. So 33333, which is like 33333. 333. There. That's a big move there, mate. Big move. Big move. Big move. That's a scalp. 30 pips is yeah, it's a big move on a scalp, yeah. What's this emails I've got? 30 pips, yeah, on a scalp. That's a nice move on a scalp. That's a very nice move on a scalp. Okay, so USD cards tagged London open low. Now either is gonna move from here or it's gonna keep reversing on its way down. Okay, what's it gonna do? Oh wait, yeah. So I was gonna add USD. Wait, how do you open the US 30 templates black and gray? And then that can be on 1 hour time, 15 time frame. And then nasdaq in it. It's annoying that I can't do DAX though, man. Right, max risk 0.5. How much is a lot? $5 per lot. How much to risk? 0.47. And then same with the US 30. Why not what? 0.5. What do you mean? Then risk 0.47. On ACG when I search DAX it doesn't have it. It doesn't have DAX 40, it has DAX 30. So yeah, I can't do DAX because of that. Otherwise, I would love to in it. But I'll do US 30. Alright, let's see then. Not much is happening yet. Price just about come tagged that level there and started to move off. Oh, Wangi, I learned something in Swahili. Yeah, this might make you laugh. There's my notes. I learned something funny in Swahili. Kwenda huko. One of my other Kenyan friends, I said to her, how do you say like F off? And then she goes, oh, you can say that. Yeah, Kwenda huko. So yeah, I know that word. It was a funny one. GU's starting to push up, but doesn't mean anything yet because it could easily pull down, you know. I don't like how price isn't doing much though on USD CAD. That's not good. And GU's looking alright on M5 to be honest, you know. Not looking bad at all. Getting colder now. Yeah, I think they do. It did a fat candle up, and then obviously market open yesterday pushed high, and then I think it just dropped all the way down, and then in the evening it kind of made this bottom wick yesterday. I think that bottom wick was when they said that, oh yeah, you know, they stopped the attacks and stuff like that. I think that's where the bottom wick come from. On yesterday's candle, so I was wondering what's gonna happen today, because that move yesterday was quite late in the day, I think, you know. Yeah, his DCAD, see, he's just trickling up and it's not really doing much. GJ did end up going higher. I don't want to buy GJ just because of the whole yen intervention thing. I'm like kind of mindful of when that could happen, because I don't want to be in a long position and get slapped, because it happened before, innit? Like 2-3 times I was in trades and I got slapped by the intervention, so I'm really not interested in getting back into that again. So just kind of being patient. Look at GU's off underway. So from London Open, GU's gone and done a 13 pip move, which isn't a lot. Most of it was in Asia. Like I said, G has gone all the way up. USD CAD's just sat in a consolidation right now. I don't really know why. UJ did come up. UJ did make a move up, but not much. I think if we come to Asia high, which is going to be around the 160.28 level, we could get a move from intervention, because we got one yesterday around 9:30, I think, just after something happened, or was it 8 o'clock? I don't remember. There's a move there. And then yesterday even 160.4, but I think we have a rate decision tomorrow. I think we have a BOJ rate decision tomorrow. Let me have a look. When's the rate decision? I'm looking for the rate decision for the BOJ. Not this week, it's next week, I bet. Yeah, next week we've got that. So this week we've got Wednesday CAD rate decision, Thursday European rate decision. Okay, that's interesting. Why did the music stop? So that's gonna be interesting then. We can leave that for now. I'll set my alerts on UJ anyway. GJ, I'm just gonna let it run up because it can do what it wants to. I don't really care. Gold. The buys were looking okay, you know, Mwangi, but they're not really buying right now. Silver's looking slightly better. Slightly. About to US 13. As deeper, yeah. I would look at it now, but I just switched to US 30. So I had a lovely move off of there. Come to look at these ones coming back up again. Yeah, it's not doing much on. What about US tech? Ah, shoot, I did there. US, damn it, fat fingers. I've got a feeling it's gonna be another slow week until CPI, which is tomorrow, I think. Boy, look at that. Did I take that level out? No, it didn't. It dipped below that level, and now it's
Voice news disconnected.
okay, so that's working. There's literally no news, and from the looks of it, well, there would have been a bit of news or something, like yellow folder news or something, but nope, looks like nothing. But how much deeper do you think it's gonna go? S30. And they're both very similar. Probably give that a miss then. What about what's DAX done since that move? Aha! Look, damn it, freaking! It does really bad whipsaw. Took the higher, Comb took the lower. I bet you never gave an entry. Yeah, never gave an entry. And DAX is supposed to be better as well. It's fine. Let's look at have a look at oil. So all the bonds are dropping. Is VIX open yet? Yeah, okay, VIX is open. DAX is up, indices, US30s break even, Nasdaq, S&P up, Emirati market up, gas up, oil, everything down. We're almost close to breaking that 90 level, which is interesting for oil on crude. Wait, we've just seen some news. What happened? So once again, we didn't really get much movement on the pairs. USD CAD's pushing now. So this would have been an hour and a half trade, yeah, and you'd have still only been at around max 3.75 or it didn't even come anywhere near the like 15 to 18 pip range, even 13 to 18 pip range. It didn't come anywhere near that. I'm gonna probably cut it at about 9:30, so about another 18, maybe 20 minutes. We'll see where things go. If we can get a move anywhere, then we'll stay. But whoa, what was that candle? That looked like a news related candle, because that was a fat one. Yes, Ndugu. So I'm guessing you're going now. Yeah, markets are a bit. GU's moving, yeah, but it's not giving pullback to clean zones, man. And I'm not liking, like, obviously he's tagged that invalid zone and then it's come straight back into here. If it broke that zone, I could have gone long from there, but no, it didn't. And now you're getting fat candles here, which I think there's some sort of news going on there. I'm not sure what, but obviously some things happened. Possibly. But anyway, yeah, peace out, Ndugu, man. Take it easy. Start prepping for New York session. I think New York's gonna be better. Come on, lad. Give me something clean, will ya? New prop firm? Nah, obviously Vi was on about one, innit? They got a firm basically, yeah. Also, hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Stratton Oakmont. They got a firm, yeah, where you pay $10 and you don't pay anything else until you pass. And then I was like, bro, how you gonna make money on that? He goes, nah, give it go, innit? I was like, okay. Yeah, but you think about it, bro. Like realistically, that isn't how you make money as a firm, innit? Like, how does a firm make money if you don't even make money from the losing accounts? Like, where's the money coming from? Like, it has to come from somewhere, innit? Which is why I don't like the idea of it. Now, if it's a reputable firm, maybe you could say, all right, TK, yeah, sure, we'll give it a go. But if it's not a reputable firm, then where are they getting the liquidity from to even get the payouts processed? Like, it don't make sense to me. Like, how that's even possible. That's what I'm just a bit suspicious of it, innit? But yeah, as I was saying, it don't make no sense. I'm a bit skeptical about it, innit? I probably will after I get more payouts and ask them the question. Yeah. I mean, you don't even need to ask questions. You just kind of need to think in it. Like, ultimately, it's a business. How are they making their money? That's basically it, innit? Like, what else is there, innit? That's pretty much it, man. As far as I'm aware, anyway. Like, how do you make your money from this when traders, you know, they don't even pay you when they fail? Like, so where's your money coming from? Like, surely there's not that many failing traders where they can literally afford to do something like that. You know what I mean? Yeah, so the firm, let me go. Where was it? It was Funded Roll. It's called Funded Roll. And then I looked at it's a new company apparently, yeah, because Vi was talking about it obviously earlier on. And I think they've set up recently, innit? They have a risk disclosure, which is interesting. How do you do About Us, like the About Us tab? They registered in 2026, so they're new. 1,000 plus traders in the community, 5,000 across followers. Monday, delete, go to site. %50 discount code is already big flag. And they've only paid out 2.1 million in 2 years. Why only 2.1? Highest payout was how much? 15,900. That's not bad. Average payout 2k. That's okay. Not bad. No minimum trading days. Funding up to 200k. 95. No time limit. Profit target as low as 2%. What? So let's do 200k on MetaTrader. What's it mean by that? Profit payouts between, I would do 31 days on the payouts. Profit target 6%. Max loss limit, I would definitely do 10% if possible. So phase 1 and then funded. Oh, it's a 1 step. Ugh. Consistency, get rid of consistency. Allow scalp. Oh my god. So it's $400 more without consistency and $700 more to allow scalping. Oh, we do not permit traders to hold positions for less than 30 seconds. Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. Huh? That's 3 minutes. You could still take an L in 3 minutes and they'll be alright with that. So I don't need scalping. I don't want consistency. I'll do 21 days between payouts because it gives you an extra week. Profit split 95%. Profit target 60. Yeah, I don't like this because it's a 1 step. It's a 1 step. So I don't like the look of that. And then leverage, you want 1 to 1. So basic payouts every 21 days, 95% profit split, leverage 1 to 100. It's 2 grand. It's 2 grand, bro. That's expensive. Yeah, bro, it's 2 grand in it. This is what I'm talking about. When I was looking at the one that Vi gave, yeah, that was funded roll. That was, he said 200k, yeah. So it was, let me go to challenge. Okay, challenges, flex, 200k account, yeah. It was $10, but after you pass is 1,200, bro. And that's a 1 step. Minimum 3 days. Minimum payout 1%. 3 days of 0.5%. So you got consistency rule there. Better off just going to FTMO because the cost of it is mad, yeah. And the funny thing is, the normal two-step 200k is $720 with the discount code, yeah. But for you to pay after you activate, it's 1,200. You know, most traders, yeah, get their second payout and they go bust. I don't know. It's yeah. I'm skeptical, man. I'm very skeptical of this new rule. Rather just go to a legit prop firm, one that's been around for a long time. Take your time and pass it. Follow all the rules. Don't do anything dodgy. And then after that, just get your payout and go between 2 and 4%. Just get the payout every time and go. But cholo, I'm gonna dip now because I just don't see much happening here. Euro's only done now a 10 pip move in what, almost 2 hours. So yeah, not ideal. Pound's done a good move though. Pound's killing it. I'm gonna bring that down here. Then bring that over to Wednesday. So one second. Oh no, I did it. I did do it, didn't I? Yes, I did. I'll trade New York session because I bet there might be something there. So was there a move that I may have missed? Let's have a look. CCC. I wanted to go long, then we had all this move here, invalid zone, took that low out. First leg, second leg, missed that there. Then we had that sweep, we had that channel there. We broke out for with volume, so you could still go long, but we didn't tag that. Then we made high. Yeah, it was no key setup. No setup that I'm happy taking, to be honest. They only USD CAD, so USD CAD gave an entry, yeah, but it was a bit early. I was a bit late on the charts in it, but that was the only thing that kind of gave an entry, was USD CAD about here. But you would have been in this now for 2 and a bit hours, and you still would have only been at 5 pips, so 2 and max would have been 3.75. We didn't even get to like anywhere of TP1 level yet, so volume is low, unfortunately. But cholo, it is what it is, innit? Just gotta wait. I don't think we'll go much higher than these levels, you know. USD JPY, that's fine where it is. GJ's fine where it is. We've not come up to any interesting level, have we? I say this is an interesting level right here. 47, 48. So maybe if you can come up to that around New York session, yeah, If you can start to see price reversing from around there, and then you might be able to get into shorts around that sort of level, maybe. And then gold and silver, yeah, not much. Gold did start pushing up, but it went down before it went higher. Silver's done really good actually. Silver has. Was there any way to get in on silver? Build up, first leg, second leg. I don't like that. I would have preferred. Nah, nothing for me clear yet. Yeah, I'm done. There's pretty much nothing for me clear yet, man. So it's just a waiting game at the moment. There wasn't really any breakout methods either of entering, and the only one that was USD CAD, and that's been consolidating for fucking ages, man, like two and a bit hours. So the markets are quite flat today. But cholo, I'll leave you to it. I'll probably stream in the Discord, innit? If I trade, it'll be about 1:30, 2 o'clock ish. I've dropped the links in the chat. Peace out anyway, lads. Hit like and stuff like that. Appreciate it. Got CPR tomorrow, so I think that's where everything's gonna happen. Alright then, see ya. Bye.